alaikum, all of you. I hope you all are fine and in good health. Welcome back to your today's English class. Now, yesterday we did picture composition in writing section. Now, in today's video, you're having an activity. It means this activity is for class 5 periodic test 1. Okay, so today I am going to explain you what is the activity that you are going to do for periodic test 1 in English subject. Okay, so as you already know, you are going to have picture composition in your activity. Okay, as an activity in English subject, you're having picture composition. Now, those who are watching this video for the first time and those who don't know anything about picture composition, go and watch yesterday's video first. Okay, and then watch this video so that you can understand the activity properly. So, picture composition, yesterday I have already explained you what it is, how we are going to write question answers in picture composition. So the picture that you are having for their activity is this one. Yes, in the park. So this is the picture of a park where you see some of them playing, some students over here on the bench, some children over here, some children on the slide, some two people over here. Here teenagers are playing something. So this is the picture of the park. Now there are so many things that you can come to know from this park. Now, on the basis of this picture, you are having question answers given on the next page. So here are some question answers. So in total, there are 6 questions and 4 true or false. Yes, there are 6 question answers and 4 true or false. Now, question answers, again I'm repeating for you all, you have to write in full sentence. Okay, write question answers in full sentence. Understood? एक वर्ड नहीं लिखना है, पूरा सेंटेंस लिखना है. ओके, एंड ट्रू और फॉल्स को तो आप यहाँ पर सिर्फ ट्रू और फॉल्स लिखना है. सो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको रीड करने हैं और उसके आंसर्स आपको कहाँ मिलेंगे? यस, इन दिस पर्टिकुलर picture you will get the answers of all those 10 questions that are asked to you. Okay, so see the picture properly. Okay, understand the question and then write the answers. Now there are 6 question answers. Write answers in full and 4 true or false. Okay, so you have to write true or false reading the statement and looking at the picture. Now where are you going to do this and how you are going to write this? ये क्वेश्चन है. आपको पिक्चर कंपोजिशन कैसे करना है ये तो आप सबको आ गया है, लेकिन आप ये एक्टिविटी को कहाँ लिखना है और कैसे लिखना है, that is what I'm going to explain you right now. Okay, now you will be taking a middle page of your English CW, that we call it a pin page. Yes, we call it pin page of your CW. आपकी इंग्लिश की CW होगी, उसका एक मिडिल पेज फाड़ लेना. ठीक है, और वो मिडिल पेज, अच्छा मिडिल पेज फाड़ते हो तो कितने पेजेस होते हैं? 2 पेजेस बैक एंड साइड. इफ़ यू से नो फ्रंट एंड बैक तो ऐसे 4 पेज होते हैं, है ना? फ्रंट एंड बैक देखते हो तो. सो ऑन द फर्स्ट पेज यू आर गोइंग टू राइट योर नेम, क्लास, division, roll number. These are something which is very important. Okay, and last you can mention subject. Okay, at last you can mention subject. So all this information you're going to write on your first page. Okay, now next page when you see, so next page, give the heading picture composition. You're going to give the heading picture composition. Okay, now after giving the heading picture composition, now you are going to give answers looking at the picture of in the park, है ना? So now you are not going to draw. Do not draw. आपको ड्राइंग नहीं करना है. You only have to write question answers. Yes, so write question answers. Okay, so what you are going to do, यहाँ पर जो हेडिंग दिया है ना, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन, ये हेडिंग दोगे आप. ठीक है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कॉपी करोगे, उसका आंसर लिखोगे. क्वेश्चन कॉपी करोगे, उसका आंसर लिखोगे. समझ आया? कहाँ पर? यहाँ पर. ठीक है, आप पहला क्वेश्चन लिखो, उसका आंसर लिखो. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, उसका आंसर. सो यू आर ओनली गोइंग टू राइट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. ओके, यू आर गोइंग टू कॉपी द क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर्स. कोई ड्राइंग नहीं करेगा. समझ आया आपको? On the first page, again I am repeating, on the first page your name should be there, class, roll number, division, etc. On the second page your question and answers. Okay, and I am repeating again, no drawing, नो ड्राइंग या फिर कहीं से आपको कोई ये पिक्चर कहीं से नहीं लाना है. सिर्फ आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ये पीडीएफ में से देखकर आपको लिखना है. समझ आया आपको? ओके ओके. नाउ व्हेन आर यू गोइंग टू सबमिट दिस एक्टिविटी? यस, अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नोट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जून, first week of June, you are going, by first week of June you have to complete this activity. Okay, by the first week of June you have to complete this activity. Again I am repeating how we are going to write. You are going to take a middle page of your CW. Okay, on the first page write your name, class, roll number, subject, okay, all the details properly. And the next page you give the title, picture composition. Then you are going to copy only this page. Okay, you're going to copy only this 2 pages. You're going to copy only this 2 pages. Understood? So copy down first question, answer, first question, answer. Okay, so you just have, you can see the picture in your phone and ये questions को copy करके आप वहाँ पर answers लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, सो पिक्चर की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है एक्टिविटी में, आप बस क्वेश्चन आंसर्स यहाँ से देख के आप लिख लेना. ठीक है, इसकी पीडीएफ आपको फॉरवर्ड होगी. ओके, ये पीडीएफ के लास्ट में आपको एक्टिविटी का क्वेश्चन होगा और आगे की चीज़ें हैं जो पहले ही कल आपको मैंने कहा था आपको कहाँ लिखना है, वो आपको वैसे लिख लेना है. ठीक है, सो आई होप द एक्टिविटी इज़ क्लियर टू यू. Okay, and if you are still having a doubt you can ask in the comment section. Okay, you can still ask in the comment section.